Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your iPhone 14 Pro Max, active Apple ID, and up-to-date iOS. Once confirmed, install TestFlight from the App Store if the app is distributed as a beta. Make sure to request access from the Genmoji developer or join the public beta waitlist. They provide a TestFlight invite or code. When the invite arrives, tap the invitation link on your phone so TestFlight can register the app to your Apple ID and prepare the download. Once TestFlight shows Genmoji, accept the beta and tap Install or Update. The download behaves like any App Store install. After installation, open Genmoji and grant required permissions: camera, microphone, and photos, so the app can generate and save emoji. During onboarding, select your preferred style, perform the face capture steps clearly, and provide several expression samples. This trains the model. If it asks for an Apple ID sign-in or iCloud sync, allow it so presets and purchases move with your account. Finally, generate a few test emoji, save them to photos, then add the Genmoji sticker pack to iMessage or your keyboard as instructed. If outputs look inaccurate, recalibrate. Retake captures in bright, even light against a plain background and provide more varied expressions. Once done, make sure the app is up to date in TestFlight. If it crashes or shows license errors, reinstall the current beta build and restart the phone. If problems persist, contact developer support with device and iOS details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.